Hello, and welcome back to another Discovery Experts training video. In this video, we're focusing on how to make Reveal feel more organized with a feature that will save you time over and over again. We're talking about folders, specifically work folders and document folders. If you've ever felt like you're spending too much time rebuilding searches trying to re-find that one set of documents that you had earlier, this is for you. In the next couple of minutes, you will know where folders live, how they should be used, how to create them, and how to share them so your team stays aligned. Let's start where folders are located. After logging into Reveal, on the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a Folders section. And right at the top are two categories, work folders and document folders. Here's a simple way to delineate the intended purpose of these folders. Work folders are the folders you create as you work, usually to collect sets of documents based on searches, filters, review decisions, or production prep. Think of them like your working piles for key search results, hot docs, needs privilege review, needs follow-up, or proposed production sets. Document folders are created automatically by TDE's project management team and should not be altered. These folders reflect what data has been loaded to the platform. This section is great for understanding what has been loaded and from what sources, like email, custodian files, or project servers. For project server data, you will see the original folder structure reflected as subfolders. Now that you have an understanding of the folders and their usefulness, let's create a work folder. Click the three dots to the right of the selected folder and choose Add Folder. Give it a name that makes sense to you and your team. Click Create, and you're done. If you like keeping things clean, you can also build subfolders by using the same steps next to an existing work folder and add another folder underneath. One more quick tip, if you're using subfolders, look for the option to apply permissions down the folder tree so everything stays consistent. Now let's check who can access these new folders, because this is where your foldering workflow either stays smooth or gets messy. Work folders are private by default, but you can share them with specific users or teams. To manage sharing, click the three dots again and select Edit Folder. From there, select the users or teams who should have access. Unless strict security of your folder is required, we suggest adding all teams to your folders as a best practice. That way, you don't have to track who has access to what folders down the line. By default, shared access is read-only, which is perfect when you want people to view a set without changing it. If someone needs to actually add or remove documents from that work folder, click the lock icon next to their name to unlock that ability. When you're finished with your edits, be sure to click Save. As a quick recap, document folders help you navigate the original structure of what was loaded, and work folders are your day-to-day working sets for review and production prep. Now you know where folders live, how to create work folders, and how to share it with the right level of access so collaboration stays smooth and controlled. If you're ready for the next step in managing work folders, check out our video on document updating, where you will learn how to assign documents to work folders using the search grid.